Okay, I want to show you how to use StatCrunch for quiz and test since the quiz for quiz and test Pearson blocks StatCrunch. So here we go. You have a chance to use it if you want it. So see here, StatCrunch right below Gradebook here. I'm clicking StatCrunch right here and it says open StatCrunch. So I'm zooming, visit StatCrunch website. It's right here. See, visit StatCrunch website to perform complex analysis with StatCrunch statistical software and blah blah blah. So I'm clicking on this, visit StatCrunch. All right. Next I'm clicking on open StatCrunch. One more time. There we go. We have StatCrunch opened. Next, opening my the quiz test, whatever it is. Let me see. I need to find it. No, that's not what I wanted. I don't need any study. Course tool. Oh, it doesn't go the right place. Let me see, we'll find out. Simon Manager. Yeah. So, quiz 1. I'm opening preview. So I'm going all the way to question 11, let's say. That's where we can start using. Here it's table. 10 also can work. This one only is the, okay, let's go to 11. That's where definitely we need StatCrunch. So I'm opening. And you click on Open Excel. Well, for me, it doesn't open Excel. Let me see. But I'm going to show you what you're gonna do. So when you open Excel, your data are going to be inside. Okay, you will see here first column, second column, and here you will see title. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy, but you are going to copy not with mouse, but you with keyboard, with key. Control C, which is copy. And then go to StatCrunch and copy in the same first column through Control V. And it will, from here, will pop up here all your data. And then the second one, copy Control C and paste here, Control V. Okay, now once you have it, let me show you further. Where is our StatCrunch? Here it is. So you will have here some data, let's say, okay. Oh, click enter, it's cleaning. All right. Then I have to click on this one, enter some nonsense and so on, right? So you will have this column and you will have this column, okay? So how you gonna, you need to change also the title. This here you have variable 1, variable 2. You click on it. Once you click on it, it just bring you in editing mode and you can type whatever you want. Male, let's say, problem, and then click on this one. It's gonna be female. So You just put there the title for each column, and you can get going from there. Solve your problem. Okay, I think this will help you, and if you have any questions, you can contact me. Okay.